What's going on, beautiful people? D-Lo Brands back for another video. And if you've ever had a mobile app idea and you tried vibe coding it and you kind of just left it in your files to kind of just fade away because you couldn't get it to a production ready level, or it just wasn't built out, it was too hard to build out, that has completely been solved. And that has been solved by Rork Max. Okay, so Rork Max is evidently the best AI vibe coding mobile app agent. And so we're going to take a look at this video really quick and see exactly what it is. Let's check this out. Wow. Wait. Okay. Okay. So just off of the first look, they are pushing more integrations. So beforehand, we could really only get like a mobile app, maybe get a backend with it, but it didn't have all of these integrations, like with the Siri actions and the widgets and, dynamic island. Like I'm guessing that this specific model has been trained on, things that are accessories to the app as well that make it really super powered. Because, if you have an app, some apps you only use the widget for, some apps you only use on your watch. So it makes sense, but it also seems like it's more capable of doing more end-to-end work. They showed an example, Pokemon Go, and they showed Subway Surfers. That's kind of crazy. 3D action running game. That's kind of crazy. So it's looking like this model can take on pretty much anything that you can give it. So the most advanced AI to build apps, superior in design. Okay. So all of these integrations, AR, body tracking, live activities, all of those new integrations. The first Swift app builder. So this is the difference. Regular Rork only creates like Next.js apps. This is Swift. And Swift, if you don't know, is like the native language for iOS apps, I believe. So install on your iPhone with one click. So you don't need any more Expo Go. You don't need any more emulators. You can just, I'm guessing, get it on here somehow. I'm guessing you connect your phone through the app. We'll check that out. All right. So build great app, supports for all platforms. Apple TV also. Vision Pro is pretty cool. Bam. You can also push this directly to the App Store. You can manage your entire app, I'm guessing, through the Rork dashboard when you're building it. So the biggest category is now open for your ideas. So 3D games with real physics. Okay, augmented reality. Press play, it's on your phone. Install your app on your phone right from your browser. So you don't even need the Rork app, it seems like. Just plug in your phone and press play. Okay, so I'm gonna plug in my phone. I'm gonna plug in my phone, and we are gonna make sure that we can take this on. All right, so now my phone is plugged in. So whenever we get to it, I'll be ready. 2 clicks to the App Store. So yeah, right here. Just publish. So you still manage it in like the regular, app store, but you can new submissions. So you can do submissions directly from the Rork dashboard, starting build, building app, exporting. Nice. Open in test flight. That's your live app right there. And in test flight, you got distribution. So still using the regular dashboard, but they make it easier to get there. On the web for the first time in history of real iPhone streaming to your browser. Okay. Hundreds of Macs, one is yours. We keep a fleet of Macs running 24/7. The moment you send a message, one becomes yours, loaded with Xcode and the full iOS SDK. An AI agent writes your app in Swift UI, hits build, reads the errors. Okay. So it looks like this has just been super powered to the max. No pun intended. And if you would like to try this out, the link is in the description if you want to follow along. So what will we build? If you've never used Rork, this is the dashboard. They also have a mobile app which performs the exact same way. So if you want to try that out, you can. But it's this simple interface. So all you're going to do is input your prompt. If you have any images, you can put it on plan mode or not. And this auto, you can choose your model based on your plan. Right now we're on the free plan, but this is the great part about it. You get 5 free prompts every single week with Rork Max. So realistically, in 4 weeks, you're getting 20 Rork Max prompts for free. Okay. So I'm pretty sure they're going to change this. So take advantage of it. They're probably going to make it 5 per 3 months, or maybe you can never use Rork Max, but I know they want people to use it since it's new. So, I got a few different app ideas from ChatGPT. I got ChatGPT to look up what Rork Max is and give me some stuff that's actually going to, test it. But I don't want to get into like the AR and the Watch OS. I don't really care about that stuff. I just want an app that's very, very good. So the first one that we're going to do is a 3D game. So we're going to do a 3D game. Give me one for a 3D game. And so we have one prompt: premium real estate discovery plus buyer journey app. This demonstrates maps, save, search larger, let lead capture. So basically like a Zillow, concierge health and wellness booking. Okay. Elite goal tracking and personal operating system app. We're going to build this out second, so stay tuned for that. And the luxury personal finance command center. We're going to build that out third. So we're going to do 3 different examples. Mind you, we do have 5 prompts where we're only going to use 3. So 3D game, cinematic sci-fi action runner. Okay. Let's get this prompt. We're going to put it in here. And, I think one thing that will help us with this is if we get an image of the app or the game. So let's say I am putting this prompt into Rork Max to build, but I want an idea of what the game can look like in game. Okay, let's do in game. So create a phone screenshot showing the in game state. Okay. And then we put the prompt. We don't have to turn on create image, but we're going to turn it on anyway. We're going to press go. And I think that this will be good to give the model Rork Max much more context, because an image gives you visuals to really see what this looks like. Like, okay, I know what I'm building, but my user, I don't actually see the vision in their mind. So if we create an image beforehand, then we will be able to literally get a better output that's tailored to how we feel it. So this is a futuristic dash through a collapsing hallway. So this is a runner, fast-paced third person, kind of like a temple run, Enjoy stylish, should feel like a polished app store quality. Run through 3D courses automatically. Free to play. Cinematic electronic soundtrack. Okay, so it's a really detailed prompt, and if you guys would like a GPT for this, be sure to join the AI Educate Lab. The link will be in the description, and inside of the free resources, we have a bunch of different GPTs, and at the bottom will be this GPT, so you guys can get, you know, nice. I like that. This is nice. If this actually builds this out, look, man. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and paste our image inside of here, and we're gonna press go. And I have some high expectations for this. Okay, they made this entire landing page showing us how good it looks. They have this updated phone right here. You know, I'm liking it so far. And we have this button right here, run on your device. So Rork Companion, run your app on a download Rork Companion, a free Mac OS app that connects your device to Rork. Okay, well, I mean, we have the regular Rork app. Do we need to have another one? Let's see. I'm pretty sure it's just the regular Rork. Let me see. I'm gonna check this out for you guys. Okay, Rork AI Companion. Let's just see Companion. I'm pretty sure it's the regular Rork app, but if I'm being honest, I'm not even sure which one it is. I have the app on my phone, but for some reason when I search it in the App Store, it's not coming up. Okay. Okay, so this is the plan. Let's just approve it. Do what you want, Rork Max. Do what you want, bud. So these are the skills that this agent has. And if you wanted to, you can get your OpenClaw agent to be a Rork Max. All you need is the specific instructions that they use for Rork Max and the skills, because they have a bunch of skills. Game architecture, game templates, game. So they have a bunch of different skills to be able to create different stuff. They have skills to create widgets and stuff like that. So you can get your OpenClaw to do it. But okay, so let's open Rork on our phone. And okay, so we have Neon Drift in here, but new file body. Let me see. So if I'm gonna just wait till it builds, okay, before we do anything. So it's building the game now, and we can kind of, you know, time it if we want to. It's 5:01 right now. Let's see what time it gets done. How long it's gonna take it to build out. But this is the whole Rork IDE. Well, not IDE, just like dashboard, and you have different stuff going on. So I'll show you guys. So here's the thing to note. If you use the plan mode, you are going to use 2 prompts to one shot something. But if you don't use the plan mode, then you'll just use 1, because that used 2 uses. But if we go into any of these, let's just go into this one. So basically, you have this entire dashboard where you can export it to your phone. You can send it to Expo Go. You can see the analytics for it. You can see the actual files for it. And if you upgrade to the paid plan, of course, you can send this to GitHub. You can edit the files. You can do so much more. But if you press publish, you can go Google Play or App Store. And you also have a link for people to try this out. So you know, can we open this right now? No, we can't. We can't open it. But this is the app creation process in 2026. A lot of people don't even know that this is what it is. Like, this is vibe coding. People are generating tens of thousands of dollars every single month using apps that they vibe coded. Now, it's not a one-shot prompt. This is the misconception that everybody has. No, it's not a one-shot prompt that is going to get you an app that's going to make money. Now, that's coming soon, but usually you're going to have to work on this for a few months to have a really good working product. Like, realistically, a couple weeks, but I would say give it a few months just to build out the proper MVP, have a marketing channel, have an actual go to market strategy. I would say 2 to 3 months. But you can do it much faster. Trust me, you can do it much faster. If you're willing to lock in, sit down on your computer, you can do it. But so this is basically what Rork is doing. It is building out all of the files for us. It's saying the Swift UI screens, the splash, the main menu, most select characters, upgrades, the sprite kit game scene, perspective runner engine, the game manager. So this is building. If you've ever wanted to build a game right now, you can do it completely for free in less than 10 minutes. Okay. So we're not even 10 minutes into this video and we already have our game being built for us. And I'm pretty sure at the 30-minute mark, we could really get this published. But we're going to see what this gives us. And I will be back once it finishes generating. So guys, it is now 5:09. It's been about 4 minutes. It's almost done. It's literally at the last step. And it has created our logo for the game. Created our logo for the game. You see how cool that looks? Oh, a futuristic runner? Bro, this is fire. This is fire. This is fire. So it's building out everything right now. It's literally compiling everything right now. Okay. And I'm going to show you guys the reveal in 3, 2, 1. All right, let's see. It's done. Do we refresh? Do we restart? Do we refresh? Okay, we still loading. False alarm. So, unfortunately, guys, I think our prompt was too much for Rork Max. I think we broke Rork Max because we got a heartbeat timeout. Sandbox was terminated. Okay. So basically everything that was just built just got deleted and it just that hurts my heart. But we're going to try again. Okay. So we're going to press retry. First of all, let me see if it used up or it gave it back. Okay. Yeah. It gave one of the uses back. We're going to turn off plan mode. We're going to... Is this using Rork Max? Let's just go back and do a new screen. Let's get our image, place it here. Let's get our prompt. I wonder what made it break. It was at the end. It built out literally everything. Like, I'm pretty sure it just broke. So we're going to send it again. And, bam. We're going to send it again. It's going to work. And we're actually going to send out another one. Okay. So we're going to do this, which one? Second one, elite goal tracking. Was it goal tracking that we were going to do? Yeah. Goal tracking. Okay, let's do this one. Built this out. It took two. Okay. So we're going to build this out. Plan mode, turn off plan mode. And let's go right there. Oh, I had plan mode on for this. Oh my gosh. That's not good. That's not good. But whatever. Okay, so now we have 2 building and we're actually going to have 3 building. Okay. So let's go to Luxury Personal Finance Center. Let's go to Rork. And we don't have any left. But that's only because we have plan mode on. So we're just going to do these 2. And we have the plan for this one. We got this one is still planning. And bam, it's giving us the plan. Let's approve. Now, let's let both of those build it out. And we're going to put this one right here. We're going to put this one right here. Let's update our anti-gravity. And let's wait for it. All right, so both of them are being built out. This one over here with Neon Drift, I'm pretty sure this is the background. And then it created the text. So this is cool. I like this. I like this a lot. This other one is creating the services. This one is building data models, building fixing compilation, wire up navigation, and app entry point. Build result screen and pause menu. Okay. So both of those are running. All right, people. So we have gotten our first result. We see the logo right here. And we see the phone. You guys see this phone emulator? So if we go over the page, go over again, it's installing. Okay, it's installing. What? Hold on, guys. Hold up. What should we call you? Call me David. No. Call me D-Lo. Call me D-Lo. I'm a founder. My work rhythm, I am a night owl. Okay. Business, health, financial. Okay, non-negotiables. Morning run. Morning. Okay. Hold on. Morning. Well, okay. That doesn't work. But I think this is just the emulator, if I'm being honest. Like it's putting it over there inside of this. So can I just get rid of this? Okay, let's do run, eat, and sleep. Okay. Launch access. Okay, bam. So we got this command center. And the thing is, I'm really like, this is the app that I'm actually building right now. I've had a lot of success with another app that I've been using, like for me personally, and I wanted to build out an app that combined 2 of the apps that I was building. And this is pretty much that. I mean, you got the priorities, you can click the check, you got the plan, and you guys see the iOS type of look to it. So you got the plan, you got your week at a glance or stuff like that. Friday 21 focus. So you can start a session. This is like combining three apps that that I use on a daily basis. One is Opal, the other is Untold, and the other is a habit tracker. And this is basically, getting all of them. Wow, this is fire. I'm not even gonna lie, guys. I may actually like build this out further on stream, like for real, because this is actually crazy. Like it's completely built out. And this is just the first app. Stay tuned. We haven't even looked at the 3D game. Okay. So you got the goals. Wow, this is powerful. You got the journal. Stop it. You got the vision. Wow. Now this is like a central hub. And think about it. If you have your Stripe API key connected to this, if you have, stuff that are real metrics, then I think Wow, this is nice. This is a nice app. This is a nice app. I like the onboarding process. Right here, quick capture, get it out your head. I want to eat seafood today. Okay. Capture. So where did that go? I want to eat seafood today. Plan. Did it go to plan? I'm not sure where that went. Did it go to journal? Huh. I'm not sure where that went. Daily focus goal, work style, load founder data. Load founder data. Oh, I like this. It created demo profiles. I really, really like this. Load executive data. Let's see. Ship onboarding. Same thing. So it's nice. New task. So every screen, it seems like, has a plus button if it's applicable. So this is a quick capture on the main one. On the plan screen, it's a add a task. And we can add a task on the 21st. Go out with JoJo. Okay, shout out JoJo. But yeah, so this is just the emulator. We're gonna do this. Go out with JoJo. Okay. Shout out JoJo. We're going to select all. We're going to paste this in here. Okay. Go out with JoJo. And I'm guessing that, yeah, it put it on Wednesday. So, like, we would change this to be able to either select a date or based on the date that I have selected, different changes you can see right away. Start session, bam, stay focused. We can have this hooked up the same way that Opal is hooked up to basically tap into your screen time and prevent certain apps from being opened or stuff like that. So I really, really like this. Like, this is pretty much completely built out. Get rid of the dummy data and make a few changes. You can get this out in a day. So, analytics, glance, and you could have this like hooked up. Like, let's say we create an API for Axis API, and now it's connected to your OpenClaw. So your OpenClaw can go in and see, oh, these are our goals, these are our habits, these are our focus, these are our plans, whatever, all this stuff, and have that common source of truth. So if I have to rate this out of 10, first of all, let's run on device real quick. Okay, let's run on device real quick. Run your app on a real. Okay. Let me see. Download. Rork Companion Mac installer. So Rork Companion, a free Mac OS. Oh, it's Mac OS. It's not iOS. You can open it on your phone. You guys see it. It's right there. Access is right there. But if we want to, let's install Rork Companion, open. And I'm guessing this is going to be like our emulator. So, all right, guys. So right here, we have Rork Companion, and I had to sign into my Rork account, my Apple account, and I have to have my phone connected, and I have to turn my phone onto developer mode. So go to privacy and security, and then turn on developer mode. You'll have to restart your phone. So, bam, enable developer mode. And it just reduces security on your phone, I'm guessing. So, bam, developer mode is enabled. Is it going to detect that? Let me see. Take that out and bam, plug it back in. All right, bam. So developer mode is now enabled. Let's open it. Keep this app running and go to rork.com. Okay. So we have our command center right here. and we have Delo connected up here, and we can press play. It's building. I don't know. Oh, trust the developer profile. Okay. So we have to go to general, VPN, and tap the developer certificate, tap trust. All right, bam. Developer app, trust. Oh, trust, allow. All right, bam. So we got that. Got it. So now we built it. Pretty sure. Is it on here? Where's it at? Oh, here it is. Oh my goodness. Okay. So right here, I actually have to change my home screen. I have to change my home screen. All right. So right here, you guys see Axis right here. That's the Rork. That's the actual building app. So you don't have to download the companion app on your phone. You download the companion app on your Mac, and then we have our app right here. We tap it. Axis. So I'm a screen record. All right. Bam. And we are going to say, David, I'm an athlete. I am flexible. I am business, health, and personal. Business, health, and personal. Our non-negotiables are going to be morning run. Okay. Afternoon supplements, because athletes take supplements, and evening reading. Okay, let's do that. Evening reading. And we're going to press launch Axis, and bam. This thing has long run 18 miles on it. This is the dummy data though. So, whenever you click one of the profiles, it'll basically populate with dummy data from that profile. And, bam, we're inside of it. Like, this is perfect. This is Rork Max. This is the first app. We haven't even looked at the other app. Vision, journal, like this is a working app right here. It's not connected to a database right now, but right now everything's local. So if we wanted to actually do that, we can though. So that's enough for this one. Let's check out the 3D game, and I'm interested to see this one on the phone too. So I really like that it builds it on your phone now, and you don't have to have like Expo Go. Like, don't tell me. So I'm guessing Neon Drift. Yeah, Neon Drift didn't work. That pains my heart, because how could you do this to me? I thought you were working. I thought you were working. No, that's actually so sad. But I mean, we'll hop in a stream. Be sure to turn on post notifications and hop in a stream. We're going to create a 3D game with Rork. I don't know why it's not working, but it's not working. So let me see if I can open it on my phone real quick. Last edit 30 minutes. Bam. Nothing. That sucks. All right, well, we're deleting that one. And we got some of our stuff refunded, so we have one, or I thought we had two, but yeah, man. But that's the end of this video. I appreciate you guys for stopping by. I hope that you built out your first app alongside me and saw just how you can use a free tool, which it's not really free. I kid you not. Rork is going to take this off. They are going to put this behind that $200 a month paywall, because if I'm being honest, this is worth $200 a month. This is worth it. Okay. It is. It's worth it. If you can get a fully built out, just like we saw with Axis, like with iOS features and stuff like that, I think that that is worth it. And the Rork app as a whole is just it's getting so much better. Are they acquired right now? Rork parent company. Do they have a parent company? Rork is they're an AI startup backed by A16Z. So if you guys know, A16Z is part of a lot of, very notable AI companies. So great product. I love it. I wish that the 3D game worked, but I'm not mad at it. It was a big task, but Rork is supposed to be max. So it is what it is. But if you did learn something in this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the AI Educate AI Lab community. Like I said, the resource will be in here by the time this video is uploaded. So basically, I'm going to put a GPT that will help you make these games better. And yeah, man. This has been D-Lo Brands, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.